Hello guys, welcome to a series of machine learning. In this tutorial, we will learn how to deal with the categorical data. So categorical data is the non-numerical data and machine learning cannot be deal with this data. CSV file, the column of the country, it contains the text data. So it is very difficult for the machine learning to deal with. So we have to convert this data, this text data into the numerical data by using label encoder. Label encoder is used to convert the categorical or non-numerical data into the numerical data. So let's come on the text editor. Here, first of all, we have to import pandas and numpy. Import pandas as cd. Import numpy as empty. Now importing the comment section. Importing the data set from the CSV file. So before doing this, first of all, select your folder or directory where your file exists. So my location, my file CSV file location is here. So select the folder. Now import the dataset. So data is equal to cd dot read CSV and type your file name. File name data underscore level. Data underscore level. Press Control and Enter to execute. So the data level dot CSV. Now select Control and Command Enter to execute. Yes. Now we get our CSV file here. So the file, the column of the country contains the text data. So we have to convert this data into the numerical data. So first we have to create a dummy variable. So dum underscore var equal to cd dot get dummy and type your text variable name data dot country. Select, press Control and Enter. Yes. So our country is converted into the form of 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. Now connect this dummy variable to the original data. So take a variable dum 1 equal to cd dot concatenate data and the dummy variable dum underscore var and axis equal to column dum one is filled here. So this file, the original variable data is concatenated with this dummy variable, and the column of the country is not required, so we can drop this column, and we have to also drop one column from these three. We have to require only two dummy variables due to the dummy trap. In dummy trap, the independent variables are multicollinear, in which two or more variables are highly correlated. So we have to require only the two dummy variables. Means only one variable can predict from the other. Therefore, we have to drop these. So d dum one dot drop country, and I want to drop Austria. Please slash each line, press Ctrl and Enter. Here, the country column and the Austria column has been removed. Age, salary, and Germany and India is the input data. So therefore we have to drop the purchase column. So therefore we have to drop purchase column. Take x as an input variable, dum dot drop column name is equal to column. Take y as a target value, data dot purchase y is a target value. This is the section of independent variable, and this is the section of dependent variable. Use scikit-learn to import the label encoder from sklearn dot preprocessing import label encoder. Le is equal to label encoder. Y equal to le dot shift transform of y. Y is here we get an output. So no, for the no purchase 0, yes 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. In the next tutorial, we will learn how to split the dataset into training set and test set. Thank you.